Everyone, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video guys, andito tayo sa Barangay Asis, Mendez, Cavite. And nandito tayo, nag-car tayo going to this property. Meron tayong last 2 lots guys, 400 and 300 square meters. So this one will be developed with concrete roads, no? So last 2 lots na lang po siya, 400 and 300 square meter. Ito na po yung kuryente, ayan po yung mga kapitbahay. Pag diniretso nyo to, Tagaytay Cockpit Arena is around 6 minutes. So yung property is dito guys, ayan. Ayan siya. So ayan guys, maglalakad lang tayo. Ayan. Dito magkakaroon ng entrance. Ayan guys. Tapos yan. Ito, dinedevelop siya ngayon. Any house design, no? Free transfer of title na rin to guys. Ayan. So doon tayo galing. Ito gagawin ng cemented road. So yung 400 square meter is this one. Ayan siya guys. Ito guys yung 400 square meter. Ayan. And then yung 300 square meter is nandun sa likod. Ayan. Dun siya guys. Ayan. So yan, gagawa niya ng cemented road. Papunta doon, pabalik doon. So yan. Any house design po dito. Ito po yung 300. Nandito yung 400. Yan, corner lot po yan. So magiging kalsada niya is pa ganyan. So yan. Barangay Asis, Mendez, Cavite guys. So ang above sea level guys, ang above sea level nitong ating property na to is around 500 meters. Right now is 3 PM and malamig po, lalo pag 5 PM, I assure you malamig po dito. Ang landmark is Tagaytay Cockpit Arena, mga 6 minutes. Pero kung papunta ka ng bayan ng Mendez, malapit lang din siya, mga 5 minutes. Meron dong hospital, McDonald's, Shopee, Lazada, and many more, no? So yan, may mga school din. Undergoing development siya guys. Ayan. For the price, yung sa 300 square meter is 7,150. Ito naman corner na 400 square meter is 7,450. Ayan. Tapos any house design, pwede nyo siya gawing mini farm, yan, or residential farm na may kubo, yan. Or gusto mo lagyan ng swimming pool, pwede po siya. Yan. So dito guys yung gagawin concrete road. Diretso dyan. Malaki po. Ito na mismo yung 400. So yun guys, maraming salamat sa panonood. If you are interested on this one, no, pwede naman to 24% down payment, yung 76% is pwedeng 3 years, 0% interest, or 5 years din, pwede rin siya but with interest. So yun lang guys, maraming salamat sa panonood, and if you are interested, andyan yung Viber WhatsApp ko, and I hope to see you on my next vlogs.